Hey guys, welcome to my video of Hero Electro, and this is the Electro we have, the Hero Electro 700C C8 city commute model. So this bike consists of a Shimano gear shifter with 7 speeds, as you can see. This is the throttle for electric control. This is the switch which we use for getting up all the things locked up, and of course getting things activated. So talking about the suspensions, we have got a lock based suspension which you can lock and unlock in this bike, and of course that's the headlight which you can use it. It's a very decent product from Satellite, I guess. It's an inbuilt product which came with the bike. So this is the Hero Electro series. So this is the charging port, and of course this is the bushless motor, right? It's having a dual disc brake, as you can see, one, and as you can see, two. This bike also comes with a 60 mm travel fox suspension system, right? So this is the entire unit which is there. You can still adjust the intensity of the shocker using this knob here, and this is a quick release type lock which you can release the tire and take it up. So this is the bottle holder which I have used. The tail light that we have. Now talking about the accessories that I have in this bike, as you can see, this is Shimano, and the derailleur is from Microshift. You can see this is the branding for Microshift. Now talking about the accessories that I have for this bike, so this bike doesn't come like the way you are seeing in the video. It comes plain. So what accessories I have taken? So one is the fender, which is the rear fender, of course the tail light. Then we have this bag, which is a mobile holder. I have used a stem to increase the handle height as per my adjustments, and of course we have got electric bell. Since I wanted a dual, so my old cycle bell is also here. So this is the handle lock, again the bicycle lock. So these are the accessories. The front fender I have. This is the air pump. Now let me tell you more about the air pump. This is from a product from Firefox. Let me show you the branding. There it goes. It's a Firefox Air Pro air pump, right? So this is, here we go. Aluminum base, very lightweight frame, but the bicycle is heavy considering the embedded battery which is inside. And this is the bushless motor. Also comes with one more thing which I would like to showcase, is electronic pedal assist. So let me show you. So this disc is for electronic pedal assist, right? So this is the sensor which is there. How it works, I'll show you. Yeah, this is the sensor. You can see this part is the sensor, and this is working. So here we go. As you can see, this is the pedal assist which is working. Bike is moving great. So as soon as I pushed, the pedal assist came into force and the bike started moving. So it gives you an instant push when you require, right? So that's the pedal assist. There are 3 settings. One is a low, one is medium, and one is high. It depends on the type of throttle that we are looking at, the type of push we are looking at, right? So this is the type of technology this bike is having. So as you can see, this is the throttle. So you can ride this bike without pedal. As of now, you can see I'm pedaling it up and it is moving. I'll try to give you a demo of how this bike moves without pedal, right? So here it goes. Pretty simple. One more feature I like about this bike is the cruise control mode, which is pressing this button and this bike will move automatically without pressing any pedals. So this is the cruise control. All you have to do is to press and hold this button for a while, and the bike will see it started moving automatically at 6 kilometers an hour. So it is going slow automatically at 6 kilometers per hour. So this is the cruise control feature which I loved about this bike. So you release the switch, see, here it goes. It is going automatically, and I'm not doing any kind of pedaling. See, this is going, not using any accelerator, no pedals, and here it goes. See the automatic movement at 6 kilometers. No pedals, no throttles, the cruise control mode of this bike. Right? So this is the slow speed we are moving in. Now let's put some pedal and let's see how it reacts. So this is like if you want to normally pedal this bike, simply switch off this button to mid high and then you simply switch off. Now this is on electric mode on, right? But how the bike is moving is not by using any sort of electric current, but simply by human pedal power, like the way I'm driving this, right? So this is how it is working as of now. Gear shifting is very simple in this bike. I love the way the shifters are working, the derailleurs are working. It's very smooth and really convenient. Now once I say very smooth and really convenient, I literally mean it, because what I'll do, I'll try to shift over to a second gear. How to do it? It's very simple. Simply press this button. Which button? This button. So I simply press this and it has turned down to second. Now we'll start moving. It's in second gear. Right? Now similarly, if I have to move to third gear, because I'm making a video, thereby I'm using this. Else, so you can see I'm pedaling it up now. It is all by pedal power, and it is doing absolutely great. There is no sound in the bike, smooth, and it is going at 3 kilometers. So now talking about one more feature in this bike, which is the acceleration mode. So this is the accelerator, so how we can use it, I simply turn off the button like this. So this is a button. So this accelerator is not working. It's on, the battery indicator shows me full charge is there, it's not working. So I release this. It's a safety feature. I enable this. Now see the bike, it moves like an electric scooter. See, just like a normal bike you are using. And here I'm not using any sort of pedal power. Very simple. Ergonomics is very good. It's very easy design, very good to handle. The brakes are in control, the throttle is in control, so you can stop the bike, you can move the bike, right? So let's drive again. There it comes. See, I'm not doing any kind of pedaling. Pedal is not working. See, no pedals. It is working purely on electric mode.